we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Unfortunately, if food, ice, or debris clogs the drain line, water is unable to flow out, which causes a leak. If the leak is coming from the lower front of the refrigerator or freezer door, follow these steps. Unplug the refrigerator.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.